Okay, so I am going to be discussing these flowcharts here to the right of page 38 in our clinic manual. These two flowcharts are going to help us determine a diagnosis in the case of an SI joint pathology. In the first flowchart, so we are going to start by performing a SI joint provocation test. If the test is negative, we'll suspect that there's most likely no SI joint involvement, and that we will also need to rule out other pathologies in other joints, such as the lumbar spine. If the provocation test is positive, we're going to add a belt and retest. If the test becomes negative due to that belt, we'll suspect an instability. And if the test remains positive after adding a belt, it's most likely a lock or sacroiliitis. So here, this second chart is a kind of a continuation of the first. So we performed our provocation test, added a belt, and retested, and it remained positive after that. So here we're going to perform the modified Gainsland test. If it is positive in both nutation and counter-nutation, we will suspect sacroiliitis, but further testing will be needed to confirm this. And if one or none of the modified Gainsland tests are positive, the joint might still be locked, so we're going to manipulate it and retest without a belt. If the test is negative, it's most likely a lock without instability. And if the test is positive, it might still be locked. So first we're going to manipulate in the other direction and retest. And then we can also add a belt in this case, and if it improves, then we will be thinking that there's some instability going on.